Hey everyone, it's Kevin the Entrepreneur. This is going to be a quick video because and of course, pet starts chewing on his toys when I start making the video. Well, anyway, this isn't going to be too terribly long anyway. So, for those of you who saw my video about the Uber credit card today, I need to make something absolutely clear. I made a mistake, like a huge mistake. Uber is not replacing the Uber fuel card with a credit card. They are switching it out with a debit card. There is no annual fee. There's no interest on those purchases. I was confused largely because, well, first of all, the way they advertise it, it sure seemed like a credit card, and it was like 4 in the morning, and I was tired, and I've admittingly not had a great last couple days. There's been some things weighing on me heavily that I probably wasn't paying attention the way I should have been. So I was called out for making a video with a lot of misinformation, and rightfully so. So I will be remaking that video, and it will go up tomorrow. In the meantime, they'll stay up. I mean, enjoy laughing, leave all the funny comments you want. I deserve it this time. But yeah, Uber is not replacing the Uber Flex fuel card with a credit card. It's a debit card. Although for some reason you still have to apply for it as if you were applying for a credit card. That includes giving them your social security, and then they run a credit check on you. I don't know why you would need that for a debit card, but for whatever reason, that's what Uber's doing. So yeah, we're just gonna, for the time being, just leave things as they are. This is just to say, hey, I'm sorry, messed up. I will try not to make a mistake like that again. I feel pretty embarrassed about it, to be honest. So anyway, these videos will probably come down when I make the new video. For the time being, I'll leave them up because I don't believe in hiding mistakes. So, at least for the time being, you can see the original video in all of its misinformed glory. But, thanks for pointing it out, guys. Sorry for the mistake. I'll try to make sure it doesn't happen again, and maybe I'll try to not be making videos at 4 to 4:30 in the morning where I'm, clearly tired and not reading what's right in front of my face. So, anyway, thanks for flaming responsibly. Have a good one.